The original Bach Flower Remedies are a safe and natural method of healing. They gently restore the balance between mind and body by casting out negative emotions, such as fear, worry, hatred, and indecision, which interfere with the equilibrium of the being as a whole. The Bach Flower Remedies allow peace and happiness to return to the sufferer so that the body is free to heal itself. To prepare a treatment bottle, you simply add 2 drops of up to 7 remedies in a 30 ml, 1 ounce treatment bottle. As a preservative, and this is optional, you can add 2 teaspoons of Brandy, apple cider vinegar, or vegetable glycerin. You fill the remaining space with spring or mineral water. From this mixture, you take 4 drops or 2 sprays 4 times a day until you feel better.